clinicalresearcher.jet here. I chose to explore the impact of AI on the job market as it's a crucial topic of discussion. Whether AI has already transformed certain jobs, is on the verge of doing so, or raises questions about its future effects, understanding its role is more important than ever. This won't be about healthcare this time, just all jobs in general. In my other videos, we have discussed how AI does work in healthcare. It does make jobs more efficient and helps with job shortages. However, I don't know if it is replacing jobs in healthcare. If it has, and maybe you've been affected by it or know someone that has, please let me know and drop me a line in the comment section below. It is clear that AI has fueled growth in the tech industry and even started new job opportunities. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the professional, scientific, and technical services sector is projected to grow 10.5% by 2033. This demand will primarily be for software developers and data managers, who will play a key role in advancing AI technologies. The CEO of Microsoft was quoted in an interview explaining that even if AI takes knowledge jobs, we will still need knowledge workers. In this analogy, he explains that a new work and workflow has been created with the use of AI systems. He describes it as he may think with AI, but continues to work with his colleagues. So in a sense, AI is meant as a tool to improve the job, but not replace the worker. He goes on to make the point that AI should be added into place just like emails replace fax machines. If AI is used in this manner, then it should only be replacing certain functions in the job to make it easier. We've discussed AI's functions in healthcare. AI is meant to give advice and make suggestions to the trained professional. But that trained professional is supposed to outweigh the information from AI to its own trained knowledge. If you have ever used ChatGPT, there's always a disclaimer at the bottom of the page that says, ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important information. I have utilized the system to help me find research for my work. I still check over what it sends me and have found errors. It's my job as a researcher to always fact check. It cuts my work in half by finding the important content without me having to search for hours on the internet, but I still do my work. In one study I found, it explored how AI is reshaping the labor markets and productivity in 3 key ways. First, AI can fully replace human workers in routine, automatable tasks. Second, it can enhance human labor by improving efficiency and quality. Third, AI creates new job opportunities requiring human expertise for its development, maintenance, and application in tasks beyond previous human capabilities. This is already evident in the retail industry, where AI agents autonomously handle customer inquiries, track inventory, reorder stock, and coordinate shipping, streamlining operations without human intervention. The rise of intelligent digital labor is transforming industries by expanding capacity beyond human availability and physical constraints. Businesses can now scale operations more efficiently, reduce costs, and enhance responsiveness, all while overcoming geographical barriers that once limited opportunities. With the evolution of AI, we are seeing that while it is enhancing productivity, we're also seeing how it can replace the human workforce. What are your thoughts on AI in the job market? Do you think AI is replacing workers or enhancing jobs? Let me know if you are seeing people being replaced by AI in your workplace, or if you have been replaced by one of these machines. Let's start a conversation about this below in the comment section.
If you want to be part of the discovery in healthcare innovations, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video in the series.
See you in the next video, and let's have a cup of tea together.